the NAS that ate the cloud. UGREEN NASync DXP480T Plus is so fast it's practically illegal. Forget everything you know about NAS, this isn't your grandma's dusty backup box. The UGREEN NASync DXP480T Plus is an all-flash beast packing a 12th Gen Intel i5 10-core processor, 8GB DDR5 RAM, and not one, not two, but 4 M.2 NVMe SSD slots. That's right, no spinny disks here. With a blazing 10GB Ethernet port and Wi-Fi 6, it can transfer massive 4K videos like it's sending a meme. Whether you're a movie hoarder, business pro, or gaming addict, this NAS delivers ruthless speed, silence, and savage multitasking power in a sleek, sexy black box. Let's talk raw performance. This NAS is powered by a 10-core/12-thread Intel i5-1235U that basically runs circles around the competition. Combined with DDR5 memory and a 128GB system SSD, boot-ups are instant, apps snap open like Thanos fingers, and workflows scream. Compared to traditional RAID NAS boxes, this flash-based setup delivers up to 1,250 MB per second transfer speeds, no lag, no bottlenecks. Toss in RAID 5, 6, 10 support and you've got failsafe, no drama data protection. It's like hiring a data bodyguard with lightning reflexes and zero coffee breaks. Need massive storage? How about up to 32 terabytes in all-flash glory? That's thousands of high-res movies, decades of family photos, or every version of every project your business has ever touched. The NASync doesn't just store your life, it curates it. Its AI smart album uses facial recognition, duplicate removal, and intelligent tagging to organize your media like a personal assistant that never complains. And you won't need 10 different apps. UGREEN gives you a unified control center that's slick, intuitive, and downright addictive to use. Unlike janky DIY NAS setups or subscription-hungry cloud services, the NASync puts your data where it belongs, in your hands. Say goodbye to data breaches, big tech snooping, and monthly subscription fees. With military-grade encryption, multi-factor authentication, and full privacy control, it's like Fort Knox metadata center. It also supports drives from WD, Seagate, Toshiba, and more, so your old hardware doesn't go to waste. Secure, flexible, and fully yours. In the end, the UGREEN NASync DXP480T Plus is more than just a data vault, it's a freedom machine. It's for creators, gamers, entrepreneurs, and control freaks who want their storage fast, local, and unbreakable. Priced like a premium drive but performing like a server farm, this NAS offers outrageous value. Whether you're running a Plex empire, backing up a business, or editing 8K footage on the fly, this box doesn't flinch. It's not just future-proof, it's future-dominant. So go ahead, ditch the cloud. Rule your data kingdom.